Tired of waiting hours to transfer massive files over slow Wi-Fi? Or maybe you need to move gigabytes of data but have absolutely no internet connection? Today, I'm going to show you the fastest, most reliable way to do it using a simple Ethernet cable. We're going to connect two laptops directly to create a private, high-speed network. Let's get started. Step 1 is the physical connection. Grab a standard Ethernet cable. It doesn't matter if it's Cat5 or Cat6. Whatever you have lying around will work. Plug one end into your source laptop and the other end into your destination laptop. Once they're connected, you might see the status lights on the ports begin to flicker. That's a good sign. Now, let's jump into the settings. Since there is no router to assign addresses, we need to manually introduce these computers to each other. Let's start on laptop A, the one holding the files. Open your control panel. Go to Network and Sharing Center, and click Change Adapter Settings on the left. Find your Ethernet adapter. It might be labeled as Identifying or Unidentified Network. Right-click it and select Properties. Highlight Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and hit the Properties button. Switch from Obtain an IP address automatically to use the following IP address. In the IP box, type 192.168.1.1. Click the subnet mask box below it. It should automatically fill in as 255.255.255.0. Click OK and close those windows. Now, we do the exact same thing on laptop B, the receiver. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, and change adapter settings. Right-click your Ethernet adapter, select Properties, and open the IPv4 settings. Again, select Use the following IP address. This time, set the IP address to 192.168.1.2. Remember, the last digit must be different from the first laptop. Let the subnet mask autofill to 255.255.0 and click OK. Back on laptop A, find the folder you want to copy. For this example, I'm moving a massive 75 GB folder. Right-click the folder and select Show More Options. Then, Give Access to. Click Specific People. In the drop-down menu, select Everyone. Click Add, and change the permission level to read/write. Hit Share, then click Done. Make sure your advanced sharing settings are correct. Under your private network profile, ensure network discovery and file and printer sharing are both turned on, or the laptops won't see each other. You'll need the username of laptop A. To find it quickly, open the command prompt, type Huami, and hit Enter. Note down the name that appears, such as Emil. You'll need it in the final step. Final step. Go to laptop B. Press the Windows key plus or to open the Run box. Type / followed by laptop A's IP, 192.168.1.1 and hit Enter. If prompted, enter the username and password of laptop A. For example, username was Emil. And the password need to use your actual Microsoft account password, not just a Windows Hello pin. And there it is. Your shared folder is now visible. Just drag and drop your files onto the new laptop. Look at that transfer speed, it's significantly faster and more stable than Wi-Fi. Mission accomplished. When you're finished, just unplug the cable. Don't forget to go back into your settings and set your IP addresses back to automatic so you can connect to regular Wi-Fi again. If this guide saved you some time, please smash that like button and subscribe for more practical tech tips.